August 2024 is bringing good news. This year, one of the most popular events will be in full bloom this month. During the peak date of this particular meteor shower, there will be some moonlight, but the sky is not too bright. In August, you will still get to observe the galactic center of the Milky Way. And at the end of the August, the zodiacal light is visible again. This is the Universe Factory, and this video is all about the major astro events happening in August 2024. But before we begin, quickly subscribe to the channel and hit that bell icon if you haven't already. This way you won't miss out with any update from us. We are on social media platforms as well, make sure to follow us. Links have been mentioned in the description down below, be sure to check out. Now the first astro event of the month, where the moon will be between the earth and the sun, so the bright side of the moon will be facing away from the earth. The days around the new moon are perfect for stargazing, but more about this later, so stick till the end of the video for the bonus content. The first conjunction of the month, where the moon will pass 1.4 degrees to the north of Venus at 22:03 UTC. This conjunction will take place in the constellation of Leo, but won't be visible since both Moon and Venus will be below the western horizon. The next conjunction, where the Moon will pass 7.3 degrees to the north of Mercury at 0.03 UTC. This conjunction too will take place in the constellation of Leo and won't be visible because of the same reason as Moon-Venus conjunction. The Perseids is one of the best meteor showers to observe, producing up to 60 meteors per hour at its peak. It is produced by comet Swift-Tuttle and are famous for producing a large number of bright meteors. The shower runs annually from July 17 to August 24. It will peak this year on the night of August 11 and the morning of August 12. The first quarter moon will block out some of the fainter meteors in the early evening, but the moon will set shortly after the midnight, leaving the dark skies for what could be an excellent early morning show. Best viewing will be from the dark location after the midnight. Meteors will radiate from the constellation Perseids but can appear anywhere in the sky. I have mentioned some of the best stargazing apps in the description to locate celestial objects in this night sky. Don't forget to check out. The moon will be on the opposite side of the earth, so the sun illuminates completely. The days around the full moon are not ideal for stargazing because of the bright moonlight, but you can always admire the beauty of the full moon. The moon will pass at 0.2 degrees to the north of Saturn at 3:01 UTC in the constellation of Aquarius above the southern horizon. In addition to this, Saturn will go behind the moon on what's called an occultation. The moon will pass 5.4 degrees to the north of gas giant Jupiter at 12:45 UTC. Look above the eastern horizon in the constellation of Auriga for this conjunction. The moon will pass 5.1 degrees to the north of red planet Mars at 0:23 UTC. Being below the horizon in between the constellations of Auriga and Taurus, this conjunction won't be visible. Now let's talk about the bonus content. I mentioned earlier about the zodiacal lights being visible in this month. In the northern hemisphere, it is visible to the east before the morning astronomical twilight in the direction of the sunrise. On the other hand, in the southern hemisphere, it is visible to the west at the end of the afternoon astronomical twilight in the direction of the sunset. Milky Way chasers will get to observe galactic core around the new moon day. If you are in northern hemisphere, you will get to observe the Milky Way completely vertical. However, if you are in southern hemisphere, the Milky Way will be completely horizontal in addition to large and small Magellanic Clouds. And there you have it, all the important astro events happening in August 2024. Comment down below if you are going to observe any of these events. Like and share this video with everyone to let them enjoy these events in the night sky. Subscribe to the channel and hit that bell notification for getting all the updates about latest news and happenings in the astronomy. Meanwhile, watch these videos in the suggestion. I'll be back with yet another super interesting video for you soon. Till then, keep looking up.